Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox Series S, then remove any external storage and cables so you have a clear workspace. Once done, put on an ESD strap and lay parts on a grounded mat to avoid static damage. Next, remove the outer shell with a T8 and plastic pry tools. Make sure you keep screws organized and photograph each step so reassembly is straightforward. These precautions save time and prevent accidental damage as you proceed to the board level. With the shell off, you remove internal brackets and lift the board enough to access connectors, but do not force it. Watch for hidden screws. Carefully detach ribbon cables and antenna leads, making note of their orientation so they return correctly. Take photos if needed. If the HDMI port is soldered, heat pads evenly with a hot air station or use a soldering iron and desoldering braid to free the pins. Work patiently to avoid lifting pads. Once free, clean flux and prepare the pad for the replacement part. You fit the new HDMI connector into place and solder each pad evenly, or swap in the replacement board, making sure contact points align. After cooling, reconnect all ribbon cables and antenna leads, reinstall internal brackets and the outer shell, and tighten screws gently. Do not over-torque. Plug the console into power and TV and boot to test HDMI output. Make sure TV is on correct input. If you see no signal, receipt cables. Recheck soldered joints for cold connections, and try another HD.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.